Welcome to our new IFRS Education from series. It's an initiative of OJ Samuel's Accounting and Reporting. Welcome once again to another session. In this session, we shall be considering cumulative set 10 questions to which the answers will be provided on IFRS 18. This is the standard on presentation and disclosure in financial statements. Viewers and subscribers have 15 seconds to select or choose the answer to each question. The answer to each question is reviewed after each question. You may pause the timing as you deem necessary. Please enjoy it. Question number 11. The adding together of assets, liabilities, and equity that share characteristics and are included in the same classification is called A, addition, B, summation, C, aggregation, D, netting, E, grossing. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 11 is C, aggregation. C, aggregation. Aggregation applies to assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, and cash flows. IFRS 18 defines aggregation as the adding together of assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, or cash flows that share characteristics and are included in the same classification. C is the answer to question number 11. Question number 12. The sorting of assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, and cash flows based on shared characteristics is called A, classification, B, aggregation, C, summarizing, D, netting, E, grouping. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 12 is A, classification. A, classification. IFRS 18 defines classification as the sorting of assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, and cash flows based on shared characteristics. A is the answer to question number 12. Question number 13. A particular form of general purpose financial reports that provide information about the reporting entity's assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses is called A, general purpose financial statements, B, general purpose financial reports, C, sustainability-related financial disclosures, D, management-defined performance measure, E, useful structured summary. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 13 is A, general purpose financial statements. A, general purpose financial statements. IFRS defines general purpose financial statements as a particular form of general purpose financial reports that provide information about the reporting entity's assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. A is the answer to question number 13. Question number 14. Which of the following holds? A, general purpose financial statements are the same as general purpose financial reports. B, general purpose financial statements are part of subsets of general purpose financial reports. C, general purpose financial reports are part of subsets of general purpose financial statements. D, general purpose financial reports are the same as sustainability-related financial disclosures. E, general purpose financial reports are part of subsets of sustainability-related financial disclosures. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 14 is B. General purpose financial statements are part of subsets of general purpose financial reports. B. General purpose financial statements are part of subsets of general purpose financial reports. General purpose financial reports include an entity's general purpose financial statements and sustainability-related financial disclosures, among others. Therefore, general purpose financial statements are part of subsets of general purpose financial reports. B is the answer to question number 14. Question number 15. Which of the following is not part of IFRS accounting standards? A. IFRS 1 first time adoption of IFRSs. B. IFRIC Interpretation 21 Levies. C. IAS 8 Basis of preparation of financial statements. D. SIC Interpretation 32 Intangible Assets Website Cast. E. None of the above. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 15 is E. None of the above. E. None of the above. IFRS accounting standards are made up of 1. International Financial Reporting Standards. 2. International Accounting Standards. 3. IFRIC, that is IFRS interpretations. And 4. SIC, that is SIC interpretations. In formal term, from the issuance of IFRS 18, in International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS and IFRSs are now known as IFRS accounting standards. This covers the interpretations as well. E is the answer to question number 15. Question number 16. The separation of an item into component parts that have characteristics that are not shared is called A. Reversal, B. Componentization, C. Distilling, D. Disaggregation, E. Derecognition. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 16 is D. Disaggregation. D. Disaggregation. Disaggregation under IFRS 18 is defined as the separation of an item into component parts that have characteristics that are not shared. D is the answer to question number 16. Question number 17. A subtotal of income and expenses that is a management-defined performance measure includes that which an entity A. uses in public communication outside financial statements. B. Communicates to users of financial statements management's view of an aspect of the financial performance of the entity as a whole. C. Is not specifically required to be presented by IFRS accounting standards. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 17 is D. All of the above. D. All of the above. IFRS 18 defines management-defined performance measure as a subtotal of income and expenses that A. An entity uses in public communications outside financial statements. B. An entity uses to communicate to users of financial statements management's view of an aspect of the financial performance of the entity as a whole. And C. Is not listed in paragraph 118 of IFRS 18 or is not specifically required to be presented or disclosed by IFRS accounting standards. D is the answer to question number 17. Question number 18. One of the following is not associated with the definition of material information in IFRS 18. A. Omitting. B. Obscuring. C. Misstating. D. Influence. E. Secondary users. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 18 is E. Secondary users. E. Secondary users. Material information is explained in IFRS 18 thus. Information is material if omitting, misstating, obscuring it could reasonably be expected to influence decisions that the primary users of general purpose financial statements make on the basis of those financial statements, which provide financial information about a specific reporting entity. Secondary users are not part of the focus. E is the answer to question number 18. Question number 19. Information in financial statements provided in addition to that presented in a primary financial statement is referred to as A. Footnotes, B. Disclosure, C. Notes, D. Reference, E. Index. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 19 is C. Notes. C. Notes. IFRS 17 defines notes as information in financial statements provided in addition to that presented in the primary financial statements. C is the answer to question number 19. Question number 20. The total of all income and expenses classified in the operating category is called A. Profit or loss before tax. B. Profit or loss after tax. C. Profit or loss for the year. D. Operating profit or loss. E. Comprehensive income for the year. Some counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 20 is D. Operating profit or loss. D. Operating profit or loss. IFRS 17 defines operating profit or loss as the total of all income and expenses classified in the operating category. D is the answer to question number 20. That is all for this set on IFRS 18, presentation and disclosure in financial statements. We hope you had fun. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our links, and kindly invite those in your network to do the same. This will enable you and all other subscribers get direct notifications on future video uploads. Till we come your way again in another episode, thank you and bye for now.